Hello, today I just want to give a quick tutorial of how to make a mallet. So I'm going to click create just like I would with any other Onshape um, part that I'm making. Title it mallet or whatever you're going to call it. And whenever I come in here to create the mallet, I'm going to start a sketch on my front plane. Doesn't matter which plane you pick. I always like to choose the front. Click on the front side over here on the cube so that way it's flat on my screen. And I'm going to come up here and click the line tool. I'm going to get a line. Again, this length is up to you. I'm going to make my length 3 inches. And then I'm going to make a line that comes out about 0.75. And I'm going to do the same exact thing down at the bottom. So click 0.75. I have 2 lines. So from there, when you're working with a mallet and you want to create a mallet, you're going to use this arc tool up here, 3-point arc. So I'm going to click on the 3-point arc, click on, make sure you're snapping it into place where the endpoint is for your other line. Click, release, bring the arc down, however big you want this first part to be. Click, and then I like to make mine tangent. You'll see that there's a little line with a circle next to it. That means it's tangent right there. Click. I have a radius of, looks like 0.134. So I'm going to do the same thing down here. And I know it's not perfect, but I will be able to dimension it here in a second. So I have that tangent part. Click. I'm going to use the dimension tool. Change the radius. I'll make it 0.315. Same thing down here, 0.315. And I'm going to dimension this top endpoint to the bottom endpoint. I'll make that, so 0.27. I'll keep it 0.27. And I'm just going to make sure it's the same exact thing down here, which it is. Great. So from there, I'm going to select the arc again, and I'm just going to have another arc go in the other way. Do the same thing down here, arc. For me, I like it to be symmetrical. So click dimension again. I want to get the radius to be the same. There we go. Radius, I'll make it 0.17. I'm going to make the radius down here the same, 0.17. And endpoint to endpoint, I want to make sure they're the same. So this one, I'll make it 0.3. Then up here, same thing. Or down here, sorry. Same thing, 0.3. And then you can continue doing this with the arc tool up and down the entire length of the mallet. I'm just going to close mine off here with a line. Drag it straight down. Click the line. You see that I have a full closed off shape. It turns gray when it's closed off. I'm going to click the green check, finish the sketch, and I'm going to click the revolve tool. I want to revolve this shape, so I click it. Around revolve axis, I click that, come back over here, click the axis I want to revolve it around, and there's my mallet. If you have any questions, please talk to me in class, rewatch the video. Remember, make it your own, so you don't have to use the same dimensions I did, but you're more than welcome to. Thank you for watching.